You've said that India is nowhere in the game as far as testing for COVID is concerned. What do you have to say on the response of the government on testing so far? And do you also suggest a joint panel of leaders, as you rightly said, that all parties and people have to get together to fight this, or of parliamentarians to suggest the way forward on issues relating to COVID response, both on the social and economic level?
See, in order to answer your question on testing, I'll have to go into a bit more detail about the current situation. Before I start, I'd like to say that over the last couple of months, I've been speaking to large numbers of experts in India, abroad, in government, outside government, who have a very good understanding of what is going on. So a lot of what I'm going to be saying is going to be based on these conversations. Now, the first thing to understand is that a lockdown is like a pause button. A lockdown is in no way a solution to the COVID virus. It is as if you've hit pause and stopped the virus in its tracks until the lockdown. When we come out of the lockdown, the virus is going to start its work again. So it is very important that we have a strategy to come out of the lockdown. Now, what are the things that need to be put in place? The lockdown allows you the time and space to put in medical resources.
तो सभी पार्टियों को मिलकर काम करना होगा। कोरोना पर देखिए राहुल गांधी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहे हैं और वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग के जरिए राहुल प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहे हैं। तो राहुल गांधी अभी कोरोना पर बोल रहे हैं और सभी को मिलकर आगे आना होगा और इससे लड़ना होगा।
बिल्कुल शुरुआत इन्होंने इसी बात से
इन नो वे
लॉकडाउन से कोरोना का हल नहीं, ये भी कह रहे हैं राहुल गांधी। लॉकडाउन पॉज बटन की तरह है।
इट स्टॉप्स द वायरस फॉर सम टाइम।
समाधान नहीं है लॉकडाउन कोरोना का।
व्हाट इज द रियल वेपन
और
अगेंस्ट
तेजी
द
से आगे
वायरस?
बढ़ना होगा, ये राहुल गांधी कह रहे हैं। सबको मिलकर काम करना होगा।
बिगेस्ट वेपन इज टेस्टिंग। टेस्टिंग एट स्केल सो यू नो where the virus
लॉकडाउन
is
जैसे ही
moving,
खत्म होगा फिर से वायरस फैलेगा।
isolate the virus, you can fight the virus and you can target the virus. Now I want to give you a few statistics on testing.
इसका मतलब साफ है कि
I think
लॉकडाउन के
our
विरोध में है
testing
राहुल
rate is
गांधी और कह रहे हैं कि लॉकडाउन
199
सिर्फ लॉकडाउन समाधान नहीं है।
And if you look at all the tests that we've done over the last 72 days,
टेस्टिंग और अस्पतालों में सुविधा और बढ़ानी होगी, ये भी राहुल गांधी ने कहा।
350 tests per district. Now this is in no way enough to tell you how the virus is moving. So the central theme is if you want to fight the virus, you have to increase testing dramatically, and your testing has to go from chasing the virus to moving ahead of the virus. Means you have to move into random testing and you have to start to preempt where the virus is moving. A lot of our testing is currently chasing the virus because we are identifying cases and then following the virus. With that type of testing, you will never be able to actually get a good image of what the virus is doing and where the virus is.
टेस्टिंग को और ज्यादा तेजी से आगे बढ़ाना होगा